In today's tech video, I'm going to show you guys how you can pin an app on your Windows 11 computer to your desktop. So the first thing that you guys are going to want to do is go to this window right here and open up open up this box right here. All right, so this will come up and then you'll go to all apps and then you'll tap on that and this will give you all the different apps that you have available on your computer. Now, so let's say that you want to put the calculator app on there. What you would do is now take and click on it and then hold it and then just drag it over to your desktop and then drop it. As you can see, now it's on the desktop and I'll just realign it so that way it's in order. And that's how you add the calculator app on there. So you would just find the particular app that you want to do, click on it, drag it over to your desktop, and then drop it, and then it'll be on your desktop until you delete it. So say you do want to get rid of it, you can take and drag it over to a trash can like so and delete it that way. But that's the easy way to pin an app on your desktop. If this video was helpful, go ahead and click a thumbs up. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I make tech videos all the time, and I'd love to have you back in the next one. Take care.